Are you noticing how more and more people are not separating their life from their work? Why is that? Because finally people are waking up. Finally people are understanding that in order to stop living a shitty life, they need to align what they do with what they are. As simple as that. Imagine this. Your work right now is taking you 8, 9, 12 hours of your day. Basically, it's taking you all of your day. Every day, all day, you are living for your work. And if your work is not aligned with who you truly are, I'm like guessing what happened, right? You feel misaligned, you don't feel well with yourself, you don't feel connected with your heart, your health, it might not be in a good place, you don't have time to do what you truly want to do. So right now we are entering an era where authenticity and being your true self and lead your day, lead your life from your authentic self, from your heart, from who you truly are is essential. So people are reorganizing everything. People are rediscovering the true meaning of life. People, they're not thinking today I'm gonna work, tomorrow I finally can live as I want. Nope. They are not living just for the weekend. They're not living where they finish to work. People are healing themselves first. People are reconnecting with their heart so they can create something meaningful. They occupy your life, they occupy your day that fulfills you 100% from the identity that you truly are. Plus is impacting life. Plus is giving you freedom based on what you do to do it wherever you want it, whenever you want it, because you own your work. You can decide what to do, you can decide where to do, with who to do it. So it's not just fulfilling and satisfying, it's impactful for people and it gives you freedom. People are rebuilding their life because finally we are waking up. Finally we understood that what we are and what we do must match. This called integrity. People are waking up to the fact that yes, I can live my life from who I truly am. Yes, I can live my life from my heart. Yes, I can build something that truly speaks to me, impact others, and give me freedom. And if you look around very closely, if you observe what is going on around, everything is readapting to that because people's identity is changing and they are waking up. Everything is adapting to this. If you look outside, whatever shops are selling is different right now. The way real estate is adapting is different right now. To the way cities are reshaping everything from visa, but also from how cities are structured is different. How company are hiring is different. What people want is different. How people want to live is different. The lifestyle that they want to have is different. They care more about healing themselves. They care more about living a healthy lifestyle mentally and physically and incorporate that with their job. We are finally becoming more free. We are finally go deeper into ourselves, remembering who we are. We are finally facing our pain. We are finally understand that we can lead our life in our terms. We are finally waking up to this illusion we have been living since we are born. And there is nothing more exciting when someone is gonna lead their life from their healed self, from their heart. Because when you stop living from the ego and start living from your true identity, only good can come from this. In fact, the future companies will be totally different from now. Who is gonna lead the world? It will be today and beyond. It will look so different to people leading companies and industries from years back. So we need to stop living with this belief that our job is one thing and our life and what we do is a totally different thing. This is a society belief. This is your family belief. This is your parents' belief, right? Take that path because it helps you earn money. You have a high position. You're here, right? Bullshit. Finally, we are destroying this belief. And you have to. Because there is nothing more frustrated, depressive, unfulfilled to occupy your entire day for the rest of your life towards something you don't care, towards something that is not you. Right? So more and more people today are building their life from their true talent, from what they truly believe, from bringing meaning out there. They are creating their work from their pain, from their resolved pain, from the challenges that they needed to confront, face, and heal. More and more people are transforming their pain into their career, into their job, into their life. Because when you understand that you can alchemize your pain and use your pain to build wealth, use your pain and transform it into a gift, you will win in life. But first, you need to heal. But first, you need to become aware of your pain. And first, you need to have the courage, the bravery, the strength to focus on yourself and say, yes, I'm going to face this. Because it's what it will liberate you. Not just internally, but externally. Because who you will become when you heal will change everything. Will change what you build, will change what you think, will change what the relationship that you have, the people that you get to know, the places that you're going to visit, the places that you're going to live. Everything will change accordingly. So I want you to notice successful stories of people not anymore separating their life from their work, but finding meaning within themselves and then sharing it, create something where you can impact someone, become being fulfilled and satisfied for what you do, and create freedom from yourself. It is very possible. It is what's happening today. From 2026 onward, it's becoming more and more evident. And by the way, even if you don't build a business for yourself, but you work for a company, companies are reshaping right now. Companies are introducing more and more things where you can work daily and become healthy mentally and physically. This workaholic mentality is changing because people are changing. People don't want to do this anymore because they're waking up. They are understanding how their health, their mental health is essential. Their physical health is essential. They don't want to sacrifice this anymore. But they want to unify it with what they do every single day. Because what you do every single day shapes who you are. Especially if you do it for years and years and years. You become that thing. You have that identity on what you do every single day. or what you hear every single day, or what you see every single day. Your identity starts reshaping according to that without you noticing, unconsciously, until you become that thing. So, spending your day in a certain way is essential, because in the long term, you will become that thing, right? So the real reason why people are not separating their life with their work is because finally we are entering an era where people are waking up to what? They are waking up to who they truly are, what they truly want. They truly want to reconnect with their heart again, with themselves. They don't want to escape from themselves anymore. They want to find themselves. They want to remember who they truly are. They want to reconnect with themselves. That's what happened. That's where we are going. And because of this, we will start to see more and more people, more and more businesses, more and more ways of actually seeing life going to the right direction. Right? Some people are incredibly worried about AI, and we should. That is, AI is one of the greatest things that we have right now. But the problem is not AI. The problem is how people use AI. Now, if you are healed, if you are living your life from your true self and not your ego, you will certainly use AI based on who you are, your identity. And so you will make good out of it. But this is just an example. If you use AI from your unhealed self, with all your pain, your fears, your challenged things, your problem from childhood, your ego, basically, your false identity, you will use AI not for good stuff. And you will make something really terrible and bad from it. But because more and more people are healing right now, their true self is rising up. Maybe we will go to the right direction. I'm making this video because I truly want to tell you that you don't have to separate who you truly are from what you do daily. This is a belief that has been inherited from societies, from your parents that know nothing about this, from your family, from your friends, from what you see, the environment where you grow up. Is just a belief. When you're waking up to this and you change these beliefs, everything changes. Just take a look and observe the opposite of what you're doing right now. And see with your eyes and feel that it is possible. It is true. Maybe something can change in you. Live with integrity, meaning that who you truly are must match your actions. And the way around. Your action must match who you truly are. Not the false identity, not the ego one. Who you truly are. That's when you live in integrity. That's when what you do every day is aligned with what you are. And that's when you stop living every single day lost, frustrated, depressed, knowing that you're living a shitty life, but you keep living it. Because you became that identity. You became the struggle. You are the struggle. And when you are the struggle, the only thing that you experience is struggle. The only thing that you see is struggle. The only opportunity that you think you have is to struggle. This is it. You can live your life from who you truly are. Your true talents, your true passion, your true enthusiasm, your true curiosity on things. You can and you must. Look around and see what's happening. And then let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. As always, see you in the next one. Bye.